Congratulations on the purchase of your new Maytag dryer. Let's take a look at how to connect the water hoses to your dryer to make it steam. Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1 3/4 inch pliers, a flat blade screwdriver, a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket wrench, vent clamps, and a Y connector. Start by disconnecting the cold water inlet from your washing machine. Next, take the short water hose and connect one end to the cold water line. Now connect the other end of the hose to the Y connector. Also connect the hose that's running from your washing machine to the Y connector. Now connect your third and final inlet hose. This will run from the Y connector to the dryer. Using your adjustable wrench, make sure that all these new connections are firmly secured. The last step to installing this dryer is to connect the venting. Start by placing a vent clamp loosely onto your vent exhaust. Place the dryer exhaust on the vent on your dryer. Secure this in place using a screwdriver. Now to level your machine. If you find that your machine isn't level, prop it up with a wooden block and make adjustments to the feet. Check again to make sure you're level. Congratulations, you're now ready to use your new Maytag steam dryer.